In today's video, I'm going to teach you Markup Import and Markup Assist for Autodesk Docs in AutoCAD 2020. 6. By the end, you will know how to bring feedback from PDFs, images, and Autodesk Docs straight into your drawing. Review it clearly on a trace layer, and turn that feedback into real, editable design elements. We'll begin with importing markups as a trace. Under the Collaborate tab, choose to import a marked, a PDF, JPEG, or PNG. AutoCAD brings it in as an overlaid trace, so your original drawing stays untouched while you review. As soon as it's placed, the trace automatically captures the PDF name and version number, helping you keep track of which file and which revision you are reviewing. Next, let Markup Assist do the heavy lifting. AutoCAD 2020-6 analyzes the imported content and, with refined detection, recognizes handwritten notes, application-generated notes, regular text, strike-throughs, and boundary markups like revision clouds with higher accuracy. You'll see callouts, notes, and clouds identified right on the trace, which makes it much easier to understand feedback at a glance. From there, convert feedback into active design elements. Click Recognize Notes to turn them into editable text. Convert revision clouds from the markup into native AutoCAD revision clouds you can edit, move, or style. Even strike-throughs can guide you. A cross-out shape is recognized and can trigger a delete action, helping you remove items quickly. Always confirm what's being deleted before you apply changes, especially on busy drawings. You can also bring markups and issues directly from Autodesk Docs. AutoCAD 2020-6 supports importing published issues and markups from your Docs project into the drawing. Again on a trace, so you can view them without switching apps. The Trace palette keeps everything organized, showing the files you've accessed and updating the status of issues that come from Autodesk Docs. As your team updates issues, those statuses appear right in AutoCAD, streamlining review and keeping everyone aligned. When you are ready, sync the PDF markup changes back into the drawing. Synchronization incorporates those markups into your design file so the final geometry and annotations reflect the feedback you accepted. This tight loop import, analyze, convert, and sync keeps your workflow efficient and your design source of truth up to date. Use these tools to centralize reviews, reduce manual rework, and make collaboration clearer. Keep an eye on the trace names and versions, verify detected text before converting, and leverage issue status in the Trace palette to close the loop with your team. That's all to it.